Pluto, you still haven't cleaned up your mess. We'll just cover it up. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Yeah, this is one of my pet peeves. Receiving something very small. It's in this area here. And they sent it to me in this envelope. Come on, you know better than that. You know who you are. You know who you are. Alright, okay, we're just... Oh, there it is. Oh, luckily they wrapped it in a piece of paper to protect it. Oh, looky here, looky here, looky here. Of course they taped it. I really don't like tape around bubble wrap. It makes it really difficult. Let's hope that everything arrived perfectly. All right, there it is. It is a shoe for a Make-A-Face PEZ dispenser. These are really cool. They clip on to the no-feet dispensers. And I just happen to have a no-feet dispenser. Ooh, let's... Geraldine? No? We'll go with the Pelican. Look at that Pelican. He looks so good. So that's what I got today. Yeah, not very exciting, but yeah, it is. These things are really, really hard to find. And luckily, with my purchase, the seller will be able to use the money to put towards PEZmania. So I will see them up at PEZmania in Cleveland, Ohio. So until next time... Way to look so good, Pelican.